Hi, good morning. I'm Brenda. Welcome to Nana's in Apron. Welcome to our kitchen. This morning we're going to do a quick breakfast. I can't recall what Tom called them, but when he gets back here, then I'll ask him. I'm going to sit you guys right over here and go ahead and show you. You can get one of the big cans of crescent rolls. This is what I had on hand. I have 2 cans of crescent rolls, some cheese, whichever cheese you prefer. This is the chicken maple breakfast sausage that you keep hearing me rave about. It's so delicious. I've got a pan over here with parchment paper on it, of course. Oven preheating to 375 degrees. We're going to unroll these and separate them. Sometimes I always pull a corner off, so I'll try not to do that this time. Okay. I'm going to lay those like that. And let's go ahead and sprinkle us a little bit of cheese on there. My cheese is stuck together because this is cheese that we shred here at the house. They don't have the starch or whatever it is that's put on the other stuff. So that's why it looks clumpy. I'm going to put however much you want on each one. But we're going to put it down at the big end. Sausage. Sausage. Put that sausage roll link right there. I said sausage roll, my goodness. Right there. Okay, and then we're just going to roll it up like we do a regular, whenever you're just doing your regular croissant, but we're going to tuck that corner in. Did y'all see that? We're just going to tuck the corner in. Pinch it together like that. It'll come apart a little bit, but that'll help keep that cheese in there. So again, we're just going to roll it, crimp the corners, and then we're going to finish getting it all tucked in. Tuck that piggy in. There you go. Or you can just go ahead and roll the whole thing up and then tuck it. Either way you want to do it works well. Okay. Yes. Just like that. But we're going to go ahead and do 8 of them because that's Tom requested 8 of them. Not that he's going to eat 8 of them, but he'll probably want some for breakfast tomorrow too. Yes, I still whack my can on the counter. I'm not going to stand and fight with it, trying to get it open with a spoon or something that might end up hurting me. Just whack it on the counter. That's all you got to do. All right. Again, just pull them apart, sprinkle it with a little bit of cheese, if you even want cheese on it. You don't have to put cheese on it. Then if you want to do an egg wash on it, that's another option. To give it a nice, pretty shine to it. I might do that though because I want to put some spice on the top. Well, some herbs on the top, not spice. Okay. Our next bunch of sausage. roll it up. Pinch it. Okay. I've got my stuff moved the other way. Let me move you guys over here. Roll it. This one's a little awkward, so you notice how it was smaller. So we'll just pinch it as best we can. There we go. It's a rainy morning here. We got 2 days of sunshine, which was really nice. There we go. Now, let me rinse my hands. Okay. This is just my egg that I beat up, and I put just a little bit of water in with it. Just gonna wash over all of these with it. And then whatever's left over, you can always scramble and serve it on the side. Here we go. I'm going to sprinkle just a little bit of chives over the top of this on each one. If you want to sprinkle something on it, then this is one of my suggestions, or parsley, or a little bit of sage if you have it, some thyme. But I like the chives. I like all of it. The chive is my favorite. There we go. Just like that. We're going to let our oven finish warming up, and then I'm going to stick these in the oven. And we're going to bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes. The sausage is already pre-cooked, so you don't have to worry about that. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I hope you will. Click the subscription button, hit the notification bell, click all so you know each time we put new content on. We're doing a fall series of breakfast foods, dinner foods. Might even try to pop in a lunch there at some point or other. But we're just going to do that to get us up into October and then November, when the season starts. I don't know, the body just kind of craves certain things, you know, to help you settle in and nestle in with the falling leaves and the cooler temperatures. I love it. I love it. Okay. Just waiting on this oven to warm up. And then, like I said, we'll pop these in the oven and give them 20 to 25 minutes. There's Tom. What did you call these? What did you call these things? Piggy something.
Barnyard and a blanket.
Barnyard and a blanket. That's what he called them. That's what we're going to call them. Barnyard and a blanket. Oh, there we go. Well, let's just pop these in the oven. We'll set our timer for 20 minutes. Actually, I'm going to set it for 25, I think. But I'll check it in 20. See you then. Don't Those just look delicious. Very nice. Barnyard in a blanket. I guess in a way it is, you know. It has the chickens, it has the cow for the cheese, the pork, piggy, some of the stuff that's in the croissant rolls, crescent, you know. So, let's see if we can get one of these off of here. Hope they didn't stick anyway. Ooh, look at that. Nice and brown on the bottom. Nice. So we'll stack a couple of these on the plate for Tom. And there we go. Y'all enjoy your breakfast. Thanks for stopping by.